Pro journaling tip. When you are wanting to dive in to the deep work and you find yourself overthinking what your answers should be or what you know they should be, put on a banging playlist that you dance to, you vibe to, and then answer the questions. Because your mind is so busy loving on the playlist that it doesn't have time to overthink your answers in what you are putting down. It takes you out of the overthinking and into what's actually coming up and what's actually being felt and heard inside your journaling session. The stuff that you want to come out will come out in this way.